Ooh, salmon sandwich. Hey everyone, Mark here, and today we're gonna make a salmon sandwich. And we're gonna pan fry it whole. We're not gonna form it into patties. And we're gonna add peach slaw and a yogurt dill sauce. Let's start with our dill sauce. If you can make this ahead of time, even better. That way everything can mingle together and taste even better. In a medium bowl, add 2 parts of plain Greek yogurt and 1 part of sour cream. Next up, we're gonna chop up our fresh dill. Try to use the leaves. Finely chop it and add it to the bowl. Zest half a lemon and add that to the bowl. Add a nice healthy splash of lemon juice. Season it with salt and freshly cracked pepper. Mix it all up and place it in the fridge. Next up is the peach slaw. You're gonna grab a paring knife, slice around the peach, twist it off, and remove that pit. And then dice up your peach. You can also finely chop it up as well. You can take it a step further and do what I did in my last video and grill the peaches. Place the peaches in a bowl and grab yourself a jalapeno. We're gonna cut this top off, slice down the middle, remove the seeds, and then slice and dice. And then add that to the bowl. Grab some chives, finely chop those up, and add them to the bowl. Add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. You can use any vinegar you like if you don't have that sticky, icky, gooey goodness. Season it with salt and freshly cracked pepper, give it a mixy mix, and toss it in the fridge. Time to toast up our buns. Add some butter to a nice hot pan. There's something about watching butter melt. Now add your buns. You know I'm using Martin's potato buns, but you can use anything you like. Once toasted, set them aside. In that same pan, just wipe it up with a paper towel, add some neutral oil, I'm using canola oil, and let that heat up. Grab your salmon fillets, don't forget to pat dry with some paper towel, season with salt and pepper, and lots of smoked paprika. Oh yeah, don't forget to do both sides. Place the salmon in the hot pan away from you and let it cook. You'll know when the salmon is ready to flip when the bottom half starts to become opaque. All right, let's flip the salmon, add some butter, and baste that salmon until it's finished cooking. Once cooked, set your salmon aside to rest, and let's get ready to build our sandwich. Okay, grab those toasty buns, add a nice dollop of dill sauce on both halves. Add your salmon fillet, and then top with some peach slaw. Finish with that top bun, and that's it. All right, time to try. I don't even know where to start.